Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the recents, and it depends what kind of navigation bar you've got set up. If you have buttons like me, then you will have to enter the recents by tapping on the square icon. If you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger up very gently and hold it right here, and at the very top of the screen you'll see the previously opened apps. But let me enter the recents using this icon, and as you can see here we've got all recently opened apps. If you want to close only one of it, then just swipe it to the right or to the left, just like it. But if you want to close all of them, just tap on this X button right in the middle. As you can see, we just got back to our home page, so let's enter the recents again, and here we've got no recent items, so it means that we successfully closed all running apps. So actually that's all. This is how to close background apps in your Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.